Hey, thanks for tuning back in here at Classy Bonsai. We're on the greenhouse today. It's late February. It's beautiful. It's in the 60s. And since I have this greenhouse to protect my trees, I'm going to do a little repotting today, a little greenhouse organizing. Still got a lot of stuff on the ground. I need to get it out of my way, clean off this bench so I can do a little work. Let's get started. So as you can see, there's my bench that I want to work on. And here's a bunch of stuff that I was trying to help survive the winter in my way. I'm going to get some of it out of my way. All right, well, I've made an area for myself to stand. I was looking at these Japanese black pines. Might as well do a quick update on them, but I was contemplating repotting these again this year because these pots are small, but I have them in this container and they've all escape rooted. Like, you can't pull them out. So since they're doing so good and they are so healthy, I don't want to slow them down. Look at that candle. Look at all those buds. I'm going to leave these big 2-year-old Japanese black pines to their own devices. One more year, I think. At least that's the decision today. That might change tomorrow. I might come in here and do quite a bit of bud selection on these things instead. Look at this one. It's just buds everywhere. You look. Giant candles. Look at this one. Look at that. This is a cool one. Look at that bend in the bottom down there. Buds everywhere, branches everywhere. Cord is swelling, scarring. It's going to be gnarly with this big long section. It's probably going to get sacrificed off eventually, and this will be a leader. There's a skinny little guy. Keep in mind these were all started at the same time. That's a cool little one. These are red pines I started last year. These are 1-year-old red pines. These are definitely getting up potted. There's another one. There's a juniper cutting. These are Japanese black pines I started last year. They're getting up potted. Red pines. A couple more red pines. More Japanese black pines. So I think I'm going to leave these, and I'm going to start working on the things I know need to be. Like this Japanese red pine clump that I have in this stupid little rice bowl. It's growing great because it's escape rooted, but I don't like what it's in, so it's going into something bigger. So I think for this year, they're going to grow out. I'm trying to fly through some of these other ones a little faster than that. Three, 4, 3 here that need to be repotted for sure. Maybe this one. Yeah, probably that one. We're going to do these red pines first. So we'll do these 3. Alright, let's start looking at these bad boys. Roots have started coming out. Little red pines. 1 year from seed. I'm doing that so I'm not tempted to use these stupid little pots again. Everything from now on is starting in one of these. Period. It's a good time to look at the roots, though. Get the screen out of them. See, the screen is really a problem for these poor roots. There's a big taproot, I think. But a lot of other roots. So we're going to cut some of this taproot off. We don't want that. A lot of other roots though, so it should be okay. I can't do anything else. This poor little tree. Just plant it up. Not even going to wire these trees this year. Wire them next year. All right, that's going to be the process for a bunch of these trees. You don't need to see them all, so I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, well, I didn't think I needed to show you all that. So here they are, all repotted and nice. I don't know why I didn't put a tag in that one, but I will. I've been using Sharpies to write on these and it wears off. So this year I'm going to try this Posca pen. It's a paint marker. See if it works. There's a few more over here. So in all I did about 9 or 10 red pines so far. That'll be all for this video. I'm going to do, these Japanese black pines have to all get repotted. That's my lunch. All these juniper cuttings need to get repotted. I think I'm going to tackle the juniper cuttings next. I'm going to start with these, then move to those. Well, the spring repotting season is here and it's in full swing, and I have a ton of repotting to do. I might not show it all. I won't show it all, but I'll show you the cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. We're on our way up to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm going to do a pot giveaway here pretty soon. I've been making so many pots and I like giving them away. I've been sending them around to other YouTubers. I've been selling them to the club, giving them away to people in the club. So until next time, thanks for watching.